Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and distinguished guests. My name is Yuzo Ohnishi, Kyoto University's Executive Vice President for Foreign and External Affairs and Alumni Relations. Welcome to Kyoto University. It is my pleasure to welcome you to the APRU Research Symposium on University Museums, forming a University Museum Collection Network at the core of the frontier research. On behalf of Kyoto University, I would like to thank you all for your participation, particularly those who have traveled great distance from overseas to join us. We greatly appreciate your contribution. This symposium is being held as a joint venture between Kyoto University and APRU. APRU is the Association of Pacific Rim Universities. I expect that everyone here is familiar with this APRU. The association comprises of 42 members with a platform for education and research cooperation to address the most pressing issues for the region and the world as a whole, such as economic development and environmental issues. Kyoto University has been an active member of the association since it was formed in 1997. We are very glad to be able to expand our involvement with this first research symposium on university museums, which was proposed by Kyoto University as a new type of APRU venture. We are also very grateful to the APRU Secretariat and APRU member universities for their support in realizing the symposium. The collection of universities' museums serve as a valuable foundation for academic research, and conversely, the university's research activities contribute to the growth and enhancement of the collections. In this way, the two elements, research and collections, are inseparably linked. The symbiotic relation between collections and research has been further enhanced in recent years with the advent of new technology, such as the digitization of specimens, collections, and together with such development, there has been an increasing demand for a system to enable collection to be utilized more widely by researchers outside of the institution to which the collections belongs. This symposium seeks to respond to those demands to further realizing the potential of the university museum collection and form a university museum collection network for the academia in the Pacific Rim. The symposium will feature presentations by leading scholars from 11 different countries and regions who give accounts for their experience in effectively utilizing museum collections. There will also be a poster presentation session detailing the activities and circumstances of different universities' museums. The symposium will conclude with a workshop titled "The Endeavor of APRU University Museums for the Future," which will provide opportunity for us to lay concrete and practical foundations for the APRU University Museum Collection Network. This symposium will allow us to share our opinions and regarding university museum collection and how we can use them most effectively and beneficially. I would like to close this brief greeting by encouraging everyone to actively participate in our discussion so that we can benefit from your knowledge and experience and build a university museum network that will be the core of frontier research in the Pacific Rim region. As you know, Kyoto is an ancient city and also high technology city. There's many famous IT companies and very advanced technology companies. Also, the whole Kyoto city is a kind of huge museum where you can find many interesting things. I hope during this symposium you can enjoy staying in Kyoto. Thank you very much for your attention.